Hey, it's Tony from Tony's Cabin. And Sammy the Wonder Dog was just giving me a hard time, of course, because they just came out with the camera and he hasn't fit me for me doing that. I guess he's jealous of the camera. I don't know. But as you can see, he's got his stick today. He loves his stick. Um, I'm going to show you my plants today because it's a nice day and it's beautiful out. And, you know, it's better than being in the house because winter's coming quick enough and, you know, then we'll be stuck in there. I hate that. And it's beautiful out here today. It's about 75 degrees, maybe. Very, very little wind, but it's not super duper hot. Okay, I'm gonna show you my columbines, and I'm gonna show you what the seeds, the seeding looks like. Okay, we'll start with that. Be right with you. Okay. Here's the columbines now. They went to seed. They'll come back. I mean, see, there's another flower coming up. They'll come back with flowers, but these are the seeds in here. And there's millions and millions of them. So I tied it back like this so maybe more will go over here into the area where there's no plants. Those are bachelor buttons. And the seed for them are gone. Because they're in this part right there. In this part. So they already dropped. So I'll have more plants coming up there. They spread all over the place. Okay, next is my can't remember the name of them. Give me a minute. Morning glow. Golden glows. Okay, got it. They're starting to flower. They're going to be beautiful yellow. And they spread underground. And I give these a lot to my friends. If they want some, they come over and dig them up. Because I'm not digging nothing. Okay, and here's my hanging plant. It drinks a lot of water. I mean, a lot of water. I come out and I fill the whole thing up once a day. And it's gone. And there's little tiny bees on it. I haven't seen my hummingbirds go on it, so I don't know if they like it or not. And unfortunately, my roses are all gone. They're going away. Maybe I'll get some more. My hostas are doing good. And they're starting to get flowers. They'll be purple. As you can see. Maybe from this side you can see them better. Yeah. They open up, so they'll be pretty. And then I'm taking it over to my tomato plants. I got lots of tomatoes coming, as you can see. And my pickles are starting to come. See if I can find you one. Oh yeah, right. There's a little pickle. I see these plastic jugs. They're old pop bottles. Right there and right there. I had just filled them up. They're almost empty, and that's how I'm watering these. It doesn't really rain here on that, so I have to water them. But that's the easy way of watering anything. Cut the bottom of a pop can off, or plastic pop thing, and fill it up, and you're good to go. But these will suck it up because they're dry. My daylilies doing good. And these right here are bad things. I don't touch them with my hands. They'll give you burns. They're very bad for you. If you have any, do not touch them with your hands. Cut them down before they seed. Right now they're flowering. They're not seeded yet. So I'll be able to get rid of these out of this area. So it's a good idea. I'm not doing that today. I worked too hard today. But anyway, excuse me. Here's my other columbine. See, they went to seed too. And my Sammy, my wonder dog, he says hi to everybody. Can you speak? speak. There it is. He says, bye, everybody. We love you. This is Tony from Tony's Cabin and Sammy the Wonder Dog saying, tell the truth, shame the devil. Peace out. Talk to you guys later. Bye-bye.